Yeah, boy. Let's get to it. Yeah, round 2, boy. Let's go. Ooh, okay, boy. Oh, damn. I forgot he could do that. Alright, guys. Last episode of Chainsaw Man for Core 1. So, there isn't any official news from Studio Mappa when Core 2 is set to drop. I'm anticipating next year sometime or 2024, you know, because this is such a high quality anime, so it's definitely going to take some time for them to drop the second Core, but let's just enjoy this last episode of Core 1. See what's popping.
未成年なの？そうだけど。じゃあ吸っちゃダメに決まってんじゃん。
They just keep hitting the feels with with Himeno. Himeno and Aki, they're just such beautiful friends, you know. That thing is utterly disgusting though. The Ghost Devil, nasty. Her spirit still lives on. She's still in there somewhere. Her theme music too to accompany this is just beautiful, brilliant. Wow, man. Wow. This is just further developing Aki's character going forward.
Heavy.
Oh, damn. With the quickness, though. That is just disgusting, bro. She want all the smoke. He's just like, nah, bro. That's all you, girl. She can turn up on her own. No doubt. Oh, he got the trigger ready. He's so blunt, man. I love Denji's character. Pull that trigger, boy. Let's go. Yeah, boy. Let's get to it. Yeah, round 2, boy. Let's go. Oh, damn. Damn. Okay, come on, Denji. Hold your ground. Let's go, boy. Sure, yeah, he's so sure of himself, man. Head up, boy. Jesus. Oh no, not that stance. Damn. Oh, not again. Come on, give him a break. Yeah, that move is just OP. That move is OP, man. Hey, it ain't over till it's over, bro. Yeah, you still got your head. Let's go. Let's go, boy. Oh, damn. Damn. Ooh, okay, boy. Oh, damn. I forgot he could do that. Just sprout him on other parts of his body like that. Besides his arms and head. Nice. True that. True that. This dude is a savage, bro. I love Denji, man. Get your get back, boy. Do it for Hamano. Like Denji said, one less sexy lady in the world. Oh damn, they gonna off screen that? Oh, come on now. They having a blast right now. Alright, good. I thought they were gonna off screen it for real. Damn. A requiem for her. Wow. Beautiful, man. Ooh, what the hell? That was a snake. Damn. Surely she ain't dead like that. She just might be. Jeez. 1.4 kilograms of gun devil flesh. Crazy. That was a smooth transition into this ending. That's dope. I like it how it's just like a slice of life ending. I'm smoking that revenge pack. It amazes me how Map would just be animating these regular life moments. That is just a big flex. See, I'm glad they're coming back to this because they never elaborated on this vision that we seen very early on in the show. Ooh, is that girl? Oh, I know. They gonna end it like that, man. I'm trying to see her. If you know, you know. Hold up. Damn. If you know, you know what I'm talking about. Who this girl is. Damn. You have to wait till Core 2 just to see her. Hold up. Let me see if I can get a. Damn, that's as good as it's gonna get. Just the back of her hair. Hey, amazing ending to Core 1, guys. Absolutely stunning. Studio Mappa, they don't disappoint. They're just the goated animation company out here in the world. In today's industry, they absolutely killing it. Top tier. Innovating. Just a very innovative company from start to finish with Chainsaw Man when it came to the way they color grading, cinematography, camera angles, animation style, artwork, especially their endings. Their endings are by far like just the most creative endings that I've ever seen in anime, point blank. Like, it was different every single episode for all 12 episodes in this core. So it's just like, damn, they come in different, and that's why they're just that top tier. And just how they're distinct from other animation companies out here. I had to take a look back at the manga just to remind myself of the bit that comes next. So it covers volume 5 to like the middle portion. So it's like yeah, that girl at the end, if you know, you know, man. I don't want to spoil it for the people who haven't read the manga, but I am excited. I was hoping we'll see her this core, but just gonna have to wait till core 2. It's so much more excitement to come, guys. So much more excitement. I can't wait. But this core 1 was just so eventful and just so entertaining from start to finish. Like I said earlier, you know, Core 2, there's no set release date. Mappa got a lot on their plate right now, guys. A lot. Like, you know, they got One Punch Man season 3. They just got news that they had to animate. That's gonna be a hell of a lot of work. Attack on Titan season 4 part 3. Like, they gotta finish that up. Uh, they got so much work. Jujutsu Kaisen season 2 set to drop in the summer next year, in 2023. So it's like 2023 is gonna be a very eventful year for anime. So and they are definitely Mappa's at the top. At the top of the industry. Like they got a standard to uphold. They got a status they gotta keep, you know. And Chainsaw Man, now that it's wrapped up with the core 1, it's like core 2, they're gonna take their time with it. And I'm not mad with that, because they took their time with core 1, obviously, because of how magnificent it was. Core 2 most definitely is gonna be that same quality or even better, you know what I mean? So I'm not mad with them taking their time, that we won't receive this till like late 2023, probably the same time this drop, like October, or even next, like 2024 even. I'm okay with that. I'm completely cool with that 100%, because I take quality over quantity any day, because there's so much more anime that are set to release that will hold me over until core 2 drops. So hey, I'm appreciative of you guys for sticking around, you know, watching this with me, and you know, I hope you guys enjoyed it just as much as I did, because I sure as hell did, man. This is straight heat. But you guys stay on the lookout for other content that I drop on my channel. You know, I'll still be releasing content pertaining to Chainsaw Man, you know, via long form and short form content, you know what I mean? So like until core 2 drops, you know, I'm not just gonna stop dropping content for Chainsaw Man. You know, I'm just gonna, you know, have different talking points and just create some creative, entertaining content, you know, for this series, because it's just so fun. Besides Chainsaw Man, I also have other content for other anime, music, TV shows, whatever, you know, stuff that I'm interested in. So be on the lookout for that. Stay locked in on the channel, guys, and I'll see y'all on the next one. I'm out.